Within the past half hour, a good chunk of our area has been placed under a tornado watch. This would be LaPorte, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Fulton, and Pulaski counties. A watch means we are watching the development of the storms off to our south and west that are heading our way. This may get expanded if these storms stay together and hold true to what's going on right now. There are a couple of tornado warnings in Illinois with that line that we're watching. Multiple warnings down to our south, of course, where we were watching that line develop, and it's continuing to push our way. So let's show you Storm Tracker radar. Here it is. That is the line that we are watching. We'll zoom into portions of Missouri and also Arkansas. Right now, we do have a couple of tornado warnings, but mainly it's severe thunderstorms. There's the tornado warning, that red polygon, but all of the orange are the severe thunderstorms. These thunderstorms have hail and gusty winds. Same for the ones up in Illinois that also have some tornado warnings. The hail, if you can pull your car in a garage or underneath something, that would be my advice, especially with the gusty winds, with the trees as well being vulnerable from all the water. And then, so we see some rotation. These are radar indicated. And then we also have the severe thunderstorms with the gusty winds and then the hail. Let's go to our area. We still have a little bit of time before that line makes its way here. So we are monitoring, we are watching how this line continues to look and hold together as it moves north and east. So that's what's going to happen over the next few hours. Right now, 49 in South Bend, 45 in Dowagiac, 46 in Syracuse. You can see where that warm front is, where we have the middle 50s, 60, even low 70-degree weather. So that is where the storms are fueled just a little bit more and where the storms could be more intense. We have to see how far north that warm front moves before the cold front comes to follow. I mean, look at Indy, 80 degrees. They're on a level 4, a moderate risk of severe weather. We're split between a 2 and 3 for severe weather, but then you go even farther south and they're at a level 5 of 5, where they expect just numerous long-lived tornadoes down toward that Arkansas area I was showing you. Winds will be a big issue for us again. I know that's not the best news with the power outages that we've all been dealing with, but you can see they stick around through about midnight tonight. Overnight, it's breezy, and it will be breezy tomorrow, but the winds will be a big thing we are tracking for you tonight. So the next few hours, my window that I'm seeing between 5 and 9 p.m. is a good chance of this line moving through. By about 10 o'clock, when you're tuning in with Lynette, most of it should have already pushed through, meaning quiet conditions overnight, where I know many of you may either have storm anxiety, your children do, or your pets do. It will be out of here by the overnight hours. Our biggest concern will be the winds, the gusty winds. Otherwise, these storms contain hail, the possibility of rotation, and then I'm sure you're not surprised, flooding will also be a concern, especially after round 1 we had earlier this morning. Let's show you Futurecast. Here it is by about 8 o'clock tonight, and you can see some isolated strong storms. You don't take these literally with the placement, but around the area, showing that it's possible. And then we get to about 9, 10 o'clock, and that line has pushed off to our south and east. But yes, very pronounced the farther south you go, where they had that heat and a lot of water associated with it as well. Tomorrow, this is a thing of the past. We make it into the upper 50s to near 60 with increasing clouds. So any sun you see in the morning will be or during the day will be in the morning with cloudy skies by the afternoon. When we look then to the weekend, just as soon as Friday afternoon, rain returns, picks up Friday night into Saturday with some lingering showers on Sunday. We are going to have some flooding concerns, some high water concerns from this round of rain, and then adding into the weekend. Future rainfall has us around 1 inch to 2 inches of rain possible from all of this water that we will have seen on top of, or excuse me, we will see on top of what we have already seen. Storms early, some will be strong, then scattered rain. Again, it's that 5 to 9 p.m. window. 48 for the overnight low. Tomorrow is quiet. Morning sun, afternoon clouds, still breezy, highs near 60 degrees. Some of us may stay in the 50s, depending on how quickly those clouds roll in. Rain develops Friday afternoon, picks up Friday night into Saturday. More showers Sunday. Yes, those are snowflakes on Monday, and that slight chance of precipitation on Tuesday is snow. So colder next week. But the big story is tonight. Really within the next 5 hours or so, we're going to have some bigger storms moving through the area, and we just need to be weather aware. If you can charge your devices now, that would be my advice. Make sure you know everybody's home, or if they're not with you and they're with friends, or it's something they know, a place that they can go, being under a tornado watch. There's just a lot of things we need to be paying attention to.
And as we learned on Sunday, they come so fast, right? It's like you think it's not here yet, but it is.
And it doesn't have to be the tornado to do the damage. You saw just what straight line winds could do.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Abby.